yeah, it's almost the new year. But guess what? Here's what happens. We live for the future. Forget about the new year. Right now, this very moment is a new year. Get that. The next 12 months can be the best 12 months of your entire life. You know how everyone talks about New Year's resolutions and New Year's, new you. New Year's right now. How about that? Right now. Who is all in on right now? Not waiting until it's finally going to be January 1st. Finally going to be it's almost time for the New Year's. Do you know people? Do you know how many people, rather? Do you know how many people wait until the New Year's? They literally wait until December 31st or January 1st to write their goals. They wait until January 1st or December 31st to start running a couple miles a day. They wait until then. They say, I'm going to do it then. There is no tomorrow. There is no New Year's. There is right now, and today is going to create your new year. Today is. So comment down below, I am all in. Comment down below, I am all in. Comment down below, I am all in, if you're all in on saying, I'm going to forget about the Gregorian calendar that says it's going to be New Year's in this many days, and then it's going to be New Year's, and then I'm going to do this. No, right now. Right now, say, here's what I want. Here's the life I want to live. I'm not taking any more limitations from any other people. No more BS from other people. I'm not taking any excuses. Right now, I am creating what I want. I'm connecting to the universe, and I'm connecting to that potential that's within me. I am all in right now. Comment down below, I am all in. Look, don't wait until the New Year's to finally start reading a book a week. Start right now. Don't wait until the New Year's to say I'm going to start meditating every day. Start right now. Don't wait until the New Year's to say you're going to go get your gym membership. And besides, it's not going to be crowded now. It's going to be crowded in a couple weeks. So you might as well build the habit now before it gets crowded. So when it gets crowded at the gym, you've already built the habit. Heck, this is the time, right in this very moment, to go all in. And what begins to happen is you develop a habit of saying, why not me? Why not now? Why not me? Why not you? Why not you? Why don't you be the person in your friend group that finally cracks a 6-figure income or a 7-figure income? Why not you to be the first person in your family to run a mile in under 7 minutes? Why not you to be the person that goes back to school and gets your education or your degree? Why not you to be the person that changes the life for that one single mother who can't get her children to school in a timely manner because her car is broken? Why don't you be the person that attracts more money and creates more success in your business so you can just buy her $5,000 used car? Why not you be the person that you always wanted to be? Why not right now? Not during the new year, right now. Literally right now, saying, I'm fired up, there's no more waiting, there's no more wishing, there's no more hoping, there's no more learning it. Today, when this ends, I'm going to reprogram my subconscious. I'm going to change my life. I'm going to write down every day the things that I'm grateful for. I'm going to put my goals clearly defined in ink on a piece of paper. I'm going to tape them to my wall, and every waking hour I'm going to get up, I'm going to get after it, I'm going to create the life that I want for myself, for my friends, for my family, but more important, to show God that whatever destiny the universe has for me, I have more within me than even God knows, than even the universe knows. That's what it's about. Go all in on your potential, because guess what? You're going to be gone soon. You are. I was just at one of my favorite places to get a salad in town, and I saw a guy that I know very well. He's one of my good friends. His mother passed away unexpectedly from cancer in a matter of 3 weeks from being diagnosed until death. Totally healthy, no problems, diagnosed, passes away 3 weeks later. She's gone. Life is so short. It's so short, and so many people are wasting and whittling away. They're wasting and whittling away. Most people are gambling on the biggest risk of all, and that's the bet that one day they're going to get the time back that they've wasted. I'm telling you, there's more within you. There's more in the tank, and guess what? The universe wants to support you, but you need to be courageous, because guess what? Courage isn't the absence of fear. It's when you're scared, when you doubt yourself, when you're worried, can I do this? Can I not do this? What's really possible? This is going to be harder than I think, but you do it, and then fantastic things start to show up. So comment down below, I am all in now. Comment down below, this is even better. Comment down below, new year right now. New year right now. Comment that down below, new year right now. And guess what? Ask yourself this question. What would have to happen over the next 12 months, starting right now, counting from this day, the time you're watching this video, what would have to happen over the next 12 months for you to say the next 12 months were the best months of your life? The most successful and fulfilling of your life. What would have to happen over the next 12 months for you to say they were the most successful and fulfilling 12 months of your entire life? Write it on a piece of paper. Do not listen to anyone's fears, doubts, worries. When someone says no to you, say that's not part of my belief system. Do not allow other people's limitations to enter your belief system right now, not when the new year starts. So when the new year comes, you're already in full force. So make sure, if you haven't yet, that you demo the second mind. Now, this is the #1 way to change your life. Your brain is wired towards what you do or don't want. For most people, it's wired towards what they don't want because they're carrying around their past. Every time you have a thought or a reaction, or you live in a certain reality for long enough, what happens is you fire brain cells. And what begins to happen is you create neural networks. There's a term in neuroscience called Hebb's Law. Now, it says that brain cells that fire together wire together. So they wire together in your brain, and they create your neural connections, and that controls your life. Now, I created a software called the Second Mind to rewire your brain so your brain becomes a magnet for you to attract what you want. Do not wait until the new year to rewire your brain, to retrain your mind. Start now. You can demo it for free. It's changed hundreds and hundreds of people's lives, and I'm so excited about it. Demo it for free down below. TheSecondMind.com. Go all in now. Right there down below, TheSecondMind.com. Hit the subscribe button, the bell notification right over there. Comment down below, new year right now. Comment down below, new year right now. Remember, what would have to happen over the next 12 months to say it was the best 12 months of your entire life, to say it was the most successful and fulfilling 12 months ever? Demo the Second Mind right there down below. Go all in this year right now. Make the next 12 months the best 12 months of your life, and I'll see you on the next video.